So when we repeat an action again and again, so that's called present simple. Like the examples which I'm going to give you. I go to school. She speaks English. I don't work. She doesn't work. Do you work? Don't you work? Why do you work? Why don't you work? In previous class, I taught present simple. So we have the next tense that's called the past simple tense. Past simple tense. The old name of this tense is, past indefinite tense. The past simple tense, also called the simple past, is a verb tense used to describe action that were completed in the past at a specific time. It means an action that happened in a particular time of past before today. So we use the past simple. Past means in Urdu language, guzra hua, right? That. What about the specimen? And you can say formula. अब पॉजिटिव सेंटेंस आप बनाएंगे कैसे इसका? बहुत आसान है. I'm telling you. First of all, subject. Subject is a doer जो करने वाला होता है. I, we, you, he, she, it, singular name, plural name, collective noun. It can be any noun also. And then second form of verb. We have the forms of verb. Go, went, gone, come, came, come, bring, brought, brought. So we use in the positive sentence verb second form plus object. So this, a formula we'll use for the positive sentence. In Urdu language, we say musbat sentence, okay? Like example, I went to America. मैं अमेरिका गया था. I use the second form. What about the, go second form is went. Third form is gone. So here we use, and I use, when. Went is the second form. I went to America. They abducted me. उन लोगों ने मुझे किडनैप किया था. अबडक्ट का मतलब होता है किडनैप करना. Ali wore new clothes. Ali ने नए कपड़े पहने थे. What about the negative? If you want to make the negative sentence, how can you make subject plus did, then not, then first form of verb plus object? Remember one thing, in the positive sentence, we use the verb second form, but if it comes to the negative sentence, we use the verb first form just because of helping verb did. Did is already second form of verb. That's why we cannot use two second form in one sentence, right? So whenever you use the did, then you have to use verb first form. Like subject plus did, then not in first form of verb plus object. It will use for the negative sentence, This structure will use for the negative sentence. The negative contraction. You know what? The negative contraction of did not is the pronunciation of D-I-D and apostrophe T is, you can say didn't and didn't. Okay? You can use the, contraction in the negative sentence, but whenever you are writing any email writing, letter writing, or essay writing, or formal writing, it is in, whenever you are writing any writing, if it's formal, then you are not supposed to use any contraction in slang. Like didn't, you should use instead of it. Did not, want to, wanna, gotta, gonna. I'm gonna go. You are not supposed to use any contraction while writing. So the sentence is accurate. If you use the didn't, the sentence is accurate, but it's informal. The sentence is what? I didn't work here. मैंने यहाँ काम नहीं किया था. मैंने कहा subject plus did, then not, then my first form of verb plus object. यानी did जब लग जाए तो verb की first form लगाएंगे. Like I didn't work here. मैंने यहाँ काम नहीं किया था. She did not inform me. उसने मुझे inform नहीं किया था. And my team did not play well. मेरी टीम ने अच्छा नहीं खेला था. गुजरा हुआ. What about the interrogative? In interrogative sentence, the did will come first, plus subject, then first form of verb, plus object. It will use for the interrogative sentence like, did police incarcerate my team? क्या पुलिस ने मेरी टीम को इनकारसरेट किया था, गिरफ्तार किया था? Did she talk about the problems of Pakistan? क्या उसने पाकिस्तान के प्रॉब्लम के बारे में बात की थी? What about the interrogative? You should use the interrogative sentence. You need to use first the did, then subject, then not, then first form of verb plus object. That's, this structure we'll use for the interrogative sentence. Then this sentence is, interrogative, but it will, this is interrogative. सवालिया इंकारिया जिसे हम कहते हैं, like, did police not investigate about them? क्या पुलिस ने उनके बारे में इन्वेस्टिगेशन नहीं की थी? And did he not invest money? क्या उसने पैसे इन्वेस्ट नहीं किए थे? And what about the WH family? The WH family, then did, then subject, then first form of verb, then object. So this is structure we'll use for the WH family sentence. So WH family is a sentence where, a sentence starts from W and H words like what, where, when, how far, how much. So the examples are, where did you accommodate in London? आप लंदन में कहाँ रहते थे? Why did you live there? आप वहां क्यों रहते थे? And WH negative is WH word, WH family, then did, then not, then subject, then first form of verb, then object. Like, why didn't you come yesterday? आप कल क्यों नहीं आए थे? How didn't he complete his work? उसने अपना काम complete कैसे नहीं किया था? That's all about the past simple tense. Whenever you are sharing any sort of story, happy story, sad story, or any story, then you have to talk in the past. Okay? So whenever you are characterizing the story, so you should talk in the past simple. That's it. So next tense is what? The future simple tense. It's used for the future plan or intention. Future plan or इंटेंशन के लिए इस्तेमाल होता है, इरादे के लिए, मैं वहां जाऊंगा, मैं आपसे मिलूंगा, मैं ये करूंगा, मैं वो स्टार्ट करूंगा. So the formula of it is subject plus will is the helping verb, then plus verb first form of verb plus object. So it will use for the positive sentence. Okay, this is structure we'll use for the positive sentence. Like, I will become a doctor. मैं डॉक्टर बनूंगा. मैंने क्या कहा कि ये इंटेंशन और फ्यूचर प्लान के लिए इस्तेमाल होता है. She will commence new business. Commence means start. वो नया बिजनेस शुरू करेगी. Okay. What about the negative? The negative is this subject plus will, then not, then first form of verb plus object. Like, the negative sentence of it, then this is used for the negative sentence, and the negative contraction of will not is want. Will not को मिला के आप इसको want करके लिख सकते हैं, like, WON''T. So will not को जब आप मिलाते हैं तो उसका नेगेटिव कॉन्ट्रैक्शन बनता है, वो want कहलाता है. Like, will not, want. I will not do a job. मैं जॉब नहीं करूंगा. She will not study. वो नहीं पढ़ेगी. They will not join us. वो हमें ज्वाइन नहीं करेंगे. What about the interrogative sentence? In the interrogative sentence, will plus subject, then first form of verb plus object. So it will use for the interrogative sentence. Like, will you put on your socks? क्या आप आपके socks पहनेंगे? Will you wrap up your work? क्या आप अपना काम खत्म करेंगे? And the interrogative is this, like, after the subject, you need to use the not. Like, will you not do a job? क्या आप job नहीं करेंगे? Will you not come to coaching today? क्या आप आज coaching नहीं आएंगे? Where will you study? आप कहाँ पढ़ेंगे? What will you do in the future? आप future में क्या करेंगे? And the WH negative is this, why won't you come? आप क्यों नहीं आएंगे? Why won't you punish him? आप उनको सजा क्यों नहीं देंगे? That's all about it.